Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Techno Now. And today I'm going to do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S6. Today Samsung has released Samsung Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge in India on April 10th. As you can see, I'm unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S6. And there is a Samsung Galaxy S6. As you can see, I'm taking the phone out of the box, Samsung Galaxy S6, and I'm putting it for a side. And in the box, I think so it's a quick start guides, manuals like that, I think so. And there are quick start guide, warranty card, and I'm keeping this for a side. And in the box you get the fast charging adapter, box is a USB charging port 2.0, and I'm putting this for a side. And in the box you get the headphones, and let me take this out. And the headphones are out, and they are the well-built headphones, and it has a flat cable with it. And in the box there is a ejection pin, and let me take this all for a side. And as you can see, the phone, as you can see, my first impressions on it, it feels like two glasses on both sides, and the build quality is really excellent, and the Samsung's Galaxy S6 is really good from the last year's glossy plastic Samsung Galaxy S5. On the right side it's a power button and the SIM tray, and at the bottom it's speakers, USB port and the 3.5mm jack. On the left side they are volume rockers, and on the top it's an air blaster. As I'm going to boot this, and as you can see, it's powered on, and as you can see the display is 5.1 inches, and it's the Quad HD AMOLED display, and it has Gorilla 4 on both the sides. As you can see, I'm adding my fingerprint to it, and it's showing some percentage. And your fingerprint is complete, and this backup password should be remembered by you. Now let us see how the fingerprint works. It works really good. Now let us see the storage. This is a 32GB variant. And you will get 25GB of free space. Now let us check out the Android version. It's 5.0.2. Now as you can see, apps like OneDrive, OneNote and Skype, and social apps like Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp and Facebook are built in. Samsung has improved a lot of specs in the Galaxy S6. It has Exynos 7420, it has 3GB of RAM, it has 5.1 Quad HD screen and 577 pixel density, it has wireless charging too. It has 16 megapixel optical image stabilization and the front camera is 5 megapixel. The storage options are 32GB, 64GB and 128GB, and it has a battery of 2600 mAh. Now as you double tap, the camera opens and as we autofocus it, the camera is really good. When you see both the phones, iPhone 6 and the Samsung Galaxy S6, both look at the same build quality. Thanks for watching the video of unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S6. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.